Alright, in this video, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to make these Air Force Ones with the flannel pattern. So you can do the same process in a larger scale if you want to make these types. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, how you guys doing? Welcome to a customization video. We're going to be doing these right here. They've been getting, we posted them up on Facebook group that we're part of. They got a lot of attention. You see the Bandana ones that they do, like the Krypton blood type sneakers and stuff like that. I ain't want to do it like that because there's millions of people that do it like that. So we're doing the flannel type. We got these flannel bandanas from Hobby Lobby. So definitely check them out. You can check out a bunch of other different videos to show you how to do it. This is my video on how to do these. So we're going to be replicating these, but in much smaller scale. Alright, but you can still use the same technique. What you will need is some of these acid brush shop brushes. I got these from Harbor Freight. Very inexpensive. You're going to need a nice sharp knife. You're going to need some tape. You're either going to use the vinyl tape. You can use the regular Scotch tape, or you can use the blue duck painter's tape, alright, from Duct Tape, or there's other people that make the blue time. Like Scotch makes the blue one, 3M makes the vinyl, but go to your local craft store or Home Depot or Lowe's, place like that, or even Walmart. They have these at Walmart too. You can probably pick up most of this stuff from Walmart if you really want to, because that's where I picked up most of them, except for the tape. And of course the shoes, and of course the bandana. Got those from other places. And what I will be showing you next I got from Amazon. That is the cement. You will be needing this cement. I'll leave it in the link below. This is what a lot of people recommend. So if a lot of people are having positive reviews and their shoes are coming out nice, know this works, stick to it. You know what I mean? Got this for like 20-25 bucks off of Amazon. Gives you a nice container. Of course you will need a bandana. And last but not least, you need the shoes. We chose to get a pair of Air Force Ones so we could do like a mommy and baby type matching theme. So here are the Air Force Ones. I got these at our local mall. I paid for around $50 plus tax, somewhere around that area. And his are a size 6C. And that's the size shoe he's on right now, so definitely want to hurry up and customize him before he grows out of it. They grow out of it quick. So there we go. Open it up, and you have the Air Force Ones. Alright. Very, very nice. Very clean detail. Even on a smaller scale, they do an amazing job. So we'll be making smaller versions of these. Alright. Alright, you want to grab the tape and put it over the toe area and make sure you push down all the way around. That way it's nice and tight. And do it on both sides. I like to use the fingernail to push down on it. And of course mark them. You want to mark them left and right. That way you make sure you get the right size. Now what I'm doing right here is just outlining. You can use a pen. Some people just go straight for the X-Acto knife, but I use the pen. You want to do the same process on the sides. Trace around the swoosh. Try to do your best. It's not going to be perfect, but it's just an estimate of where you're going to be cutting that. And you want to repeat the same steps on both pairs of shoes. What I did is marked them both. I did left shoe, right side, left shoe, left side. And once you get all those down, then you want to put it over the piece of material. And don't cut it directly on the line. I noticed I did the same mistake sometimes. You want to give yourself a little bit of room in case you have to trim it. You can always
trim it, but you can't add more material, so definitely give yourself a little bit more room. And at this point you can figure out how do you want the pattern to lay out, if you want it at an angle or if you want it straight up and down, and what part of the material you want cut. So play around with that a couple times until you find an exact perfect match where you would like. As you're cutting, definitely check it, see if you have to trim it. Now's the time to trim it, or if you notice you messed up, you can always try again until you get the perfect match. And once you get all the pieces cut out and you're happy with it, then you want to grab your infinity cement. You want to put a good amount on the material, and you want to put a good amount on the shoe itself and the location you're going to be placing it on. And right here I used the X-Acto knife to separate the tape from the bandana. And sometimes the sides lifted up when I was trying to do it, you just push it back down. I was using at the end of the brush to push down on it until it's stuck, and then slowly peel it up. You want to let it dry, but not dry all the way. Like, you want the tackiness to hold the material down, but you don't want to dry it all the way to where you can't get the tape off. So just let it go for a couple seconds and then peel the tape off of it using the X-Acto knife.
Alright, here's the final process right here. This is how they look. I think we did a great job. Let me know if you guys followed along and how did they turn out. Let me know if this video was helpful, and if you guys want to see more videos like this. Like I said in the beginning, you can do the same as a larger scale. I just happen to do those for my son at a smaller scale. All the steps are the same, you just got to cut bigger pieces. Now if you want to make the bow like this, of course you want to make the bandana longer. There you go, and just tie it up. So same process on both types. And if you guys want to see an exact video on how I made these, I can make a black and white pair. Just put in the comments below and I'll do another instructional video. Alright, let us know if you like the direction we're going, trying to do more customs and unboxing. Let us know what you like, guys. Like, remember to give a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and we got more giveaways coming soon, so stay tuned. Alright, thank you.